Some of the tasks that you may have may be more high priority than others, and you can set that in Microsoft Planner. So to do that, you can go ahead onto your board and then onto a particular card that you want to set the priority for. And then over here, what you can simply do is here you can see that by default, it's set to medium priority. But if you want to go ahead and change it, you can simply go ahead and click it and then go for important or go for urgent or go for low right here. So you can go ahead and set, let's say, urgent right here. And you do see this little icon right here showing the priority right here. Even if you were around where to go to the grid view right here, you'll be able to see the priority right here just like this as well. And over here in the grid view itself, you can go ahead and choose the priority for individual tasks just like this as well. And that is how you can set task priority inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.